Well, hello guys, happy Saturday. I have about 5 minutes, so I thought I would jump on and just, you know, tune in on the conversation that's happening in the community. And I wanted to first thank Marilyn Shaw. It looks like you tried to email the support team, and they're probably trying to communicate with you. And of course, naturally, in the form of text, doesn't matter when and where or what, things can get lost in translation. So I have about 5 minutes, and so I thought a visual might help, but also to just zero in on exactly what maybe the issue is, because I think that also gets lost in the text language, the text language. Because of course, in the comment, I think a lot of us are having different discussion. There's the discussion about the free holiday gift giving guide, which did come in the month of December. We did this special promotion that any orders placed in the month of December got that free digital idea book. And then of course, some people are mentioning or relating to the free digital idea book that we give out every month that showcases samples and ideas that we personally use the Kiwi Club kit, but the ideas can be translated for anybody as far as using it as a springboard for other designs, which is usually what is great about idea books. So we of course want to share these ideas with you guys freely, and for the hopes that it does inspire you guys, not only in your own creations, but overall just to inspire you to keep living a more playful, creative, and connected life. Now, with that said, I'm going to do a quick screen share, and then if you guys have any questions, shoot them in the comments while you have me, okay? And we'll hopefully get a couple of those things addressed. Let me pull up the comments here, okay? Make sure I'm live. Am I live? Am I live? Am I live in the right group is the question too. There we go. I am live. All right. Okay, so let's do a share screen here. First off, when you ordered the PDF, if I'm getting it correct, let me read your comment. They open the QR boxes, so that's one topic, the QR codes. How does that work? And then you unable to print off the free printables. Why does it have to be so hard? So the free printables are actually another thing inside of the free idea book that we include. So there's the free printables inside of the free digital idea book, which is which in the gift giving guide, there were some. And then occasionally in the Kiwi clubs, there are some as well. So I'm going to first address Marilyn's comments, and then I'm going to address some of the Kiwi Club comments, and then any of your other comments that you guys might have. Okay, so let's take a look at the gift giving guide, Debbie, or Marilyn, really quickly. So I went ahead and I downloaded it, which is what you'll get a little thing, and then you can click on the downloads because it automatically gets added to your order. If you place an order, let me pull this up. Okay. Let me get there. There we go. Okay. So just to not give it all away, because it's a really awesome gift giving guide. Again, this is free with any purchase in December, just as for the holiday season. There's ideas. Okay, so like right here, this one has a free printable attached to it, right? If you're one that likes to print it off, I don't print my digital idea books off. You can save them in a Google Drive. You could save them on your desktop in a folder, or you just download them when you need them, and you can access them again by logging into your online account, and under your account is downloads, and inside of your online account, it will save all of your downloads, Kiwi Clubs, anything like that you might have either purchased, which we hope to get that in the future for some really great purchasing ones, but for the most part, we try to offer these for free in different promotional things. So if you are using a computer, then you should be able to just click it. Let me stop and share the next screen because it popped up a new screen. And it should do this. That's what it just did for me. Okay, so it opens it up on a web URL. So hopefully you have internet access. And it should open a new page, which looks like this. Now, if you go up to File, I'm on a desktop, like I'm on an actual laptop. I'm not on a smartphone or anything like this. But same thing, you should be able to do a right click on your phone as long as your computer, your printer is hooked up to your device, right? Like you have it set up as a component for that device. And then I'm just going to go to print, and then it pulls up my print page. Can you guys still see that? Yeah. And then I just make sure it's scaled to 100%. Sometimes computers will auto scale that. I like it to be to the size that it was designed to, so I make sure that that scaling is not changed in any way. Of course, you can change the orientation, just depends on your printer that's set up for you. If you don't have a printer, then the printables, the free printables won't work for you. Clearly, it won't work for you. But you need to make sure your printer is set up to your device. If your online website, again, I don't know exactly where the issue is happening for you, Mary Lynn. So I just want to give some content here, and then you can ask questions and we will narrow it down and figure out exactly where it's going. But for the most part, you should be able to click on it. It should pull up a URL. You should be able to do a right click or click on the file and print. That's the nature of how to just kind of get to the printable from the digital idea book, if there are free printables inside of the free digital idea book. If you are having issues with your printer, that's going to vary. I would recommend just literally going on YouTube and doing a quick search how to make sure my printer is hooked up to my computer. But as long as you can print other things, other places, it should work. And then I'm just going to go ahead and print this so I can show you. Then I just click print. Do you want to print? There you go. Okay. So we'll kind of let that print here in a minute in the background. So I know it worked for me. I know technology kind of sometimes have its mind its own, but it's really, really kind of the essence of it. So I just wanted to point that out. Why does it have to be so hard? Hopefully that gives you a visual, because we're very visual people. Hence the play to create system. So yeah, like I said, sometimes texting, all of that back and forth, not the best, but hopefully the visual gives some kind of identity of, wait, that did not work for me. Then that helps us to say, well, then that's where the point is of an issue, right? And then you can just narrow in on that section as far as the issue goes. Any questions, y'all? Let me know if you have questions or if that didn't. Thanks so much for the, yes, you guys are welcome. Okay. Now, while I have you, really quickly, here, actually, it just printed off. You guys can see my messy table back there. I'm still working on a couple of things. Oh. Right? So it just printed it off. So I should have printed on cardstock. I print mine on cardstock. I didn't have cardstock in. Now I'm like, not sure what I'll do with these. What a waste of print. Now I find something to do with them. I'm sure I'll find something. I'll just make them into little tags or something. Why not? Can't let it go to waste. Kiwi Clubs, let's talk about that, because everyone, if you get a Kiwi Club, we want you to be able to access these things. And sometimes it's just doing it 1 or 2 or 3 times in the new process to kind of not fight against it, but just learn the steps, right? Sometimes we expect it to be a certain way or wish it was a certain way, but really we should just learn the way it was, unless it's a real true issue. And that's why we appreciate you guys being open and honest. So I want you guys to know that, like, that's something I really value, is the communication part. Of course, being kind and just different things, but we all have our days, and technology all has its days. Oh my goodness, if I could tell you my love-hate relationship with technology sometimes, right? But as long as we can zero in what the real issues are, we will make sure to try to address it or look at it and say, is there a better process for this? Okay, let's take this, for example. This is not digital, it's printed on the back of inserts. And so how do you go about doing this? One, if you're not a big QR code scanner, which I'm going to show you here in a minute how this works, then the URL is right here. So you could simply type it in. It's long. So yeah, it's not that fun, but that is how the PDFs will look as far as the coding in which it needs to go on the web world. This is why we provide a scanning code. So for those of you that don't want to type that in, also typing for whatever it's worth. Sometimes we, user error. So because it's long, you're going to want to make sure you double check things like, did you actually put the dash in right? Did you actually spell product right? Or did your fat thumb like mine get in the way or whatever it is, right? Okay, I'm gonna come back to your comments, but I just want to show you guys really quickly. There is a QR code. It's called a QR reader, and it's an app. Okay, it's free. Yes, you could download this app. Now I'm showing you on a smartphone or on an iPhone, but it's the same as an Android because I know that Shiloh has an Android. So, and then it pops up, it'll take you to the shop. And again, then you just add it to your cart, it's free. And the reason why we do this is because we want you to be able to access the downloads and not lose them because they get added to your account, okay? Where they'll always be saved. Again, you can save them in a personal place, but we do want to make sure that there's record of it inside of your online account. So you can be like, oh yeah, where was that? I'm going to go back to my downloads and get that. Because we will not always have all of these PDFs available. Right now, we still have 2018 underneath the Kiwi Club in the shop. Here, let me go. I'll backtrack to that here in a minute. I'm bouncing too much. So you want to make sure that you are saving those PDFs because no, we won't be keeping 5 years, 6 years in the shop. Right now, we still have all the way from the first of the Kiwi Club, the free PDF, but here coming probably in the next year, we'll probably take down 2018. Like they're not going to always be in there. It takes a lot of resources. So this is why they'll be saved to your account. And that way you'll always have access to it, but not necessarily always access in the shop. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, now forget the app, right? Well, just go to your picture icon here. And again, it just depends on your phone. It's got to be on photo, not video. So let me slide that over. And then it picks it up too. And then it just came up with here, it popped up the web link. And so I'm just going to click on that and it's going to take it to it. If you have an older phone, hopefully you can get an app on it. If it doesn't have that feature, just to use your camera, like again, you don't need the app. You just can use your camera on some of the newer phones, probably 2 or 3 year old phones. I don't know how far back that feature is, but it doesn't have to be too old or too new. It doesn't have to be too new to have that photo feature. So again, I just went to my photo, like I was taking a picture, and I just held up that QR code, and then I clicked on the web that it pulled up, and then it pulled it up on the phone. So, all right, hopefully that is helpful, gives everyone an insight, gets us all on the same page of the topics of discussions that are going on. And you can tag anyone that might have these questions here in this video. And if you guys have any other further questions, I was just looking at the comments. It doesn't look like you guys do. Let us know and we'll try to do a visual. And I'm glad that I had a free moment to kind of catch in and jump in on that discussion. And then of course, keep playing, keep creating, keep connecting. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Saturday and that you find a little time to do one or the other as far as, making moments in your life to play, create, and connect. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye now.